Good morning, guys. I hope everyone had a great night. Just give me a second, guys, and we're gonna get this live stream started. As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button for me, guys. And let's have some music going on today before we get started here.
Blessings falling on me. I got weapons.
Just give me a second, guys.
Tetris, you don't know me.
Alright, so looking here at USDJPY on the 30-minute time frame here. I'm expecting buys above this resistance zone here and sells below this support zone here. UJ has also been ranging for a while, so we'll see if it's actually going to be able to break above this resistance. It actually broke this previous resistance here, which was a fake out during Asian session. And price dropped, so now let's see if it's going to break above this resistance here for price to continue pushing up. So we're looking at potential buys. Potential buys above 124,200. And sell below 123,500. Grand Rising, Missouri, good morning. Mr. Grind Time, UD, good morning. Music is loud, you can barely hear me. What about now? Can you hear me better? You should be able to hear me better now. So you should be able to hear me better now. If you can, let me know. Let me know, actually. I'm just gonna turn down the music here.
Right into the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know.
Let me know if you guys can hear me better. Let's turn down the music.
Nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hear me, but I keep you on a need to know.
So let me know if you guys can hear me better now. Okay, what about now, AG? Is the music still too louder than my voice? So that's that for you, Jay. Let's see here. So looking here at AJ, man, the JPY, I'll be looking for sales below the support zone here, and then buys above resistance, and more potential buys above this resistance zone here. Right now, AUDJPY is ranging as well. A little bit more. What about now? What about now? It should be better now. Let me know, guys. Okay, perfect. Alright, cool. Good morning, Super Data Wolf. So we have potential sales below 92,400 here. We have CAD news coming up in the next 30 minutes here. So buys above 92,900. And more potential buys above 93,100. Right. Let's take a look at freaking GJ. Man, GJ is still ranging. Man, this is crazy. So basically, GJ freaking ranged all week. This thing just freaking ranged all week, guys. So GJ buys above this zone, resistance, sells below support zone here. So sells below 161,600. Buys above 162,300. We'll see what happens today, guys. We shall see what happens. Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, Troy. I thought AG said my voice is better now. You guys still can't hear me? UJ was also ranging all week. But we'll see if this thing is ready to trend now. You guys should be able to hear me now. What about now?
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow.
I'm trying to adjust my mic here.
I'm like, wow, work it out. I'll pull up, put it down. I see you through the crowd, leave your friends.
What about now, guys? You guys should be able to hear me better now. I moved my mic closer to me. It was a little bit far away from me. I don't know why it's... I don't know what's going on with my mic today, guys. It's not even... Give me a second. It's closer to me. I don't know why it's freaking tripping today. Yeah, it's all the way up. What about now, guys? I don't know. I don't understand what's going on with this mic today. It's all the way up. What about now, guys? Is it better? Man, this mic works perfectly fine. I don't know what's going on with it today. Let me turn this song down. I don't know what's going on with it today. It works perfectly fine. Give me a second, guys. I might go mute for a second here. What about now, guys? Can you guys hear me better? Let me know if you guys can hear me better. You definitely should be able to. You should be able to hear me better now. You should be able to hear me better now, guys. All right, perfect. Okay, cool. All right, so now it's just a waiting game for us now. Let me take a look at EJ. Man, EJ, man, I don't even want to look at this at all. This week, JPY pairs has been trash this week. Oh, King's FX said I should look at AUD USD. I already have it on my chart here. So, looking at this on the H1 here, you can take sales below 0.74500. If price closes below 0.74500, which is this support zone here, you can take sales. Because looking at AUD USD now, we're in a downtrend, so it's only right for you to be looking for sales. Right now, AUD USD is ranging, so you can take sales below 0.74500. And then you target your TP from there. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Piling paper got them talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. CD on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Yeah, I woke up I didn't even really sleep. I only slept for like an hour today. I only slept for like an hour today. So looks like the only pair right now that looks to be getting ready to trend is UJ. So we're just gonna see what happens here with UJ. We keep that same energy on all occasions. More life to my enemies, won't stop the vision. But I do not compromise with competition. All my shit be sounding like it look like. These niggas be rapping for them book likes. Alkaline charge like a battery. So we're gonna see what happens here with UJ. So we'll see if the news coming up in the next 10 minutes is in the next 10 minutes is gonna have any impact on UJ. We'll see. Some of you are saying my mic is great, some of you are saying it's not. Oh man. Okay, so I should lower the music. Alright. Okay, what about now? I don't know, I have one of the freaking best mic when it comes to microphones. I'm using the Blue Yeti microphone. So this is one of the best, if not the best microphone. I don't know what's going on with it today. I freaking don't know. What about now, guys? Is my voice better? Just a little more? Yeah, some of you are saying my mic is okay, some of you are saying it's not. So Some of you are still saying I should lower the music a little bit more. What about now? I mean, it should be better now. Yeah, you're right. I guess I'll get a headset microphone then, because that one is gonna be right right by my mouth. Yeah, probably. All right, I'll look into that.
They just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one-on-one, be my only one, you're my only love. Message, hear me now, you get the message. Who are you texting? If not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. I was doing me, left you neglected. Now I feel the
All right, cool. Okay, Troy said it's spot on now. Well, keep smashing that like button, guys. Even though today is Friday, let's see if we're gonna get some momentum today. Okay, AG said it's perfect as well. All right, thank you, guys.
Pile and paper got them talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me. Brown baby down to take a flight to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. Pile and paper got them talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. City on my back and it feel light to me. They think that I'm stunting, but it's slight to me. I don't understand it, how they got so timid. Told them I would do it and I overdid it. I don't do the bass cause I don't got the minutes. Pull up nothing teeny, so
Oh, Mr. Grantham, you were talking about GBP NZD. JPY players got you looking at GBP NZD.
baby cut from Mexico.
Yeah, they've been trashed this week, boy.
She down the way they while the spliff burning. They don't want no static, better get the signal. Earning all these coins, it ain't coincidental.
They've just been trashed this week.
With my same roadies, whipping different rentals. Baby girl, what's your sign and what that steez do? Say got a little bit of cash, but can he please you? Started in my DM, I might make her BM. Wavy Zavy stunting, you should come and see him. Pile and paper got him talking nice to me. Down the bottle, it be going right through me.
The fact that GJ deranged all week is just
They think that I'm stunting, but
freaking
it's slight to me.
incredible to me.
Got 'em talking nice to me. Guess that's why the labels want the rights to me. City on my back and it feel light to me.
Let me take a look at GBP NZD here.
I done cracked the code,
I don't trade it, but I'm just gonna take a look at it here.
I don't need your wifey, she a pass around. They don't need to know it when I'm back in town. Bank teller greet me by my first name. Seen it shots but got the worst aim. Seen him out here looking like he hate cash. do not compromise with competition. All my be sounding like it look like. These be rapping for them book likes. Alkaline charge like a battery. How they got the minutes to be mad at me?
So GN rejected his support turn resistance here.
All that's said is done. All that's done, gone under the sun. Won't you come with me? Fall in love like nothing matters except for us.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every lugger fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every lugger fall down once. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it. When it fall down, pick that up. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it. When it fall down, pick that up. Sick of love slipping through fingertips. Watch that.
Okay, let's see what UJ is trying to do here.
Bitterness. I think we bigger than all of them little things. Love unconditional. Disaster is imminent. We ain't got minutes to spare, spitting divvy up. I know what you did cause you human, and no man is perfect, so I expect you is. Yeah.
All that's said is done. All that's done, gone under the sun. Won't you come with me? Fall in love like nothing matters except for us.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every lugger fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once. Every lugger fall down once. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it. When it fall down, pick that up. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it
So
drop
let's see if this 30-minute candle is going to close above this resistance. This 30-minute candle closes in 1 minute, so we'll see what happens here. I'm good, are you?
Sliding down the runway, church on Sunday, these two birds in holy matrimony, tricks and ponies, bells and whistles, gold fishes, so official, yeah, they bearing two doves. Honestly, no matter who around us, long as you around, cause I would never give this up, yeah, no matter who around.
Remember, entry is always on the 15-minute time frame. We're just looking at it on the 30-minute time frame right now. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you all.
Keep playing with you. I just wanna sustain with you. Play no games with you. You're the apple in my ear, my eye. Every time make you leave, make me cry. Meant to be this way, it always feels on time. You'll forever be my purity, you're mine. Yeah, you're mine, you're my bride. believe I slipped up all of those times. All those times that I lied. Said I played you, now I got you asking why. Can't believe I caused you more. Left my clothes out on the doorstep. Losing you, I can't afford that. I don't wanna cause you more stress. I don't know why I played those games. I don't wanna. Keep playing with you. I just wanna
I took the buys, guys. I took the buys on USD JPY. I took buys on USD JPY. Buys taken on USD JPY.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I feel my
Entry was
mattress,
right here.
then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. Sliding it like a wet flow, already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like gecko, everything I do they echo. Big facts, my bank on
Trending tips is somewhere right there, so
Q-tips. Hold it there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb. Hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick. Broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare. No TikTok for that. They know that love don't live there. I can't roll dice on your
that's a 1-to-1 right now.
Get fortune from my foresight. Investment brought me 4 bands. Don't roll rage, I get we'll wheel all by your forehead. Them city John be like he lit. Them country girls be like go ahead. If I ain't that man, then I gotta be more than human. How you mean? Funny how the people back then who was hating on the kid always talking about how you clean. Put a little gas in the blunt and I don't pass broke. Just please be cool, but I can't blame you. I won't shame you. I probably wanna be me too. It ain't no thing to do my thing. It's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets. It's no thing, no sweat, I ain't really worried about it too much. Slight work, light work, not work, I ain't really do much. Get it in, ship it out, pivot route, back corner, end zone. Hit her with a best friend, I don't really know about a friend zone. Real time, real talk, fake, can't really match that. Put it in the insurance, Uncle Sam can't really tax that. Get the game, learn the game, play the game, sell the game, all that. Never let them tell you what you can't do, gotta change all that. Feeling myself, they be feeling me too, baby, don't fight the feeling. I've been so high that I'm tryna scale the roof, I'm tryna bite the ceiling. They be on bullshit like a zoo fly, I be too fly to participate. I need everything for the everything. If I with you, get a different rate. Got me up, got me typoed. If you're thinking need glucose, winning in it ain't too close. I be flying out to a new coast, and I'm acting like it ain't a big deal. Really, cause it ain't a big deal. 4 freaks, I'm a 5th wheel. I was born winning, I'm the still. Ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets.
Yeah, I don't know if if UJ is gonna get all the way up here today, because today is Friday, but we'll see. All right, win you, Jay. All right. First trade, and this might be the only trade for today, because today is Friday, guys. I got in the bias before this entry here, but you know how it is with broker spread, so this is where my broker spread put me. Yeah, we have a few people watching today. Who's that? Are you Afridi? You wanna invest? You wanna invest in me? I don't know what you're talking about. You need to explain yourself better. I don't understand you.
Two iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. Don't do skin, don't ski. Next year, change for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, don't
We only got a few people watching today.
I can never take a hand out. I can never leave my man down. Yeah, stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth John T. Neighborhood, that's who. Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring. Double cup, my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, it's no
Keep smashing that like button, guys. Thank you.
Everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault.
You took it at 124, 195. Oh, looks like you have better entry on UJ, UJ. USD is looking strong. Yeah. And hopefully it stays strong. It stays strong for the rest of the day. Shit. Yeah, since you said your entry was at 124, 195, yeah, I already knew you got in early. Your entry was risky though, but so far so good for you. I mean, it's only right to be only looking for buys because we're clearly in an uptrend, even on the higher time frame. So taking buys is not the wrong trade at all. So what makes you say UJ is about to drop? You're not going long on UJ. Okay. You're shorting UJ. Okay. I mean, I can't tell anyone what to do. I mean, if you want to short UJ, then, I mean, be my guest. More power to you. It's your account, not mine. GU is what's going on with GU? GU is buying as well. GU must be buying because you guys are talking about if it pulls back. What the hell am I typing? That's funny.
Clutch quick or this all could crash. I got the records that make up the math. I put my head down and get to the bag. You talking like I got you. To keep it real, I'm rolling with you. More time, still got more numbers than you ever will. Family members wanna make the will. When you up like a Smith in Beverly Hills. Heard they want my head, this heavy crown. Heard when you're up, they wanna bring you down. This is upstate with killers.
GU is selling.
Fourth quarter
Shit.
shooters like
About time he finally broke freaking freaking this range here.
ain't done a cipher since when Mace was coming back again. This is one take, don't run it back again. This epidemic is
Yeah.
epic, gon' make 'em go cash it in.
Even if, yeah, you can't get in. If this candle was at 6 o'clock, this would have been a better candle here, this engulfing candle. Yeah, you're right, Troy. Yeah, you can't get in right now, except if it pulls back, then you can sell. Yeah, you're right about that one. You're right about that one. USD is super strong right now. That's why GU is falling. So hopefully USD stays strong. And then obviously we have this support here. So GU is probably heading down here. It might break below it or it might just reject it. So yeah, like I said, just wait for a pullback on GU because you already missed it. It consolidated for a while here, and this engulfing bearish candle would have been your entry, but this was at 6 o'clock right here, this candle here, and we started this stream at 7, so your stop loss would have been too big. Alright, I stopped looking at GU since it was just freaking ranging for a freaking long time. So I stopped looking at it. And hopefully this thing gives us 20 pips this morning. If it stays strong, if USD stays, if the dollar stays strong all day, that would be nice. And UD is just, UD, you killing it today. Yeah, GU is near support. Yeah, I just showed it earlier. It's near support zone, and it could reject that support zone, or it could, if USD is strong enough, it could just break it. So if you want to short GU, right now you just got to be hoping that USD dollar is strong enough for it to break that support. Okay, we on UJ right now, so we gotta be really hoping the dollar stays strong enough so we can get our 20 pips, and whatever happens after that, then it happens. If this 30-minute candle closes bullish and the new 30-minute candle opens bullish as well, and that candle will probably take us to 20 pips. And we'll be done with UJ. Whatever happens after that is just, more profit for us because we always leave a runner. Or you can just get out after 20 pips. You can completely close the trade. It depends on you. But on the challenge, the 100k challenge, we're not leaving no runners. We're just closing at 20 pips. That's it. EU rejected support. Let me take a look at EU. That's another pay I don't like trading. It moves too slow for me. What's wrong with trading view this morning? EU, man. EU looks nasty for me right here. Looking at this on the 30 minutes. Let me go to the H4. H1.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty.
I mean, EU didn't get to support yet.
Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with
Except if you want to put your support zone down here. Up here, it still didn't get to support yet, but it's close.
My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. 10 frames on me leaning down, winning now. Been a while, you ain't like it then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the fire's clear. All my niggas on the flight list.
Man, EU just look nasty for me.
Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face.
Plus, I really don't like trading Forex major pairs because a lot of people trade it too much. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no sim shit. Won't stop to the youngest he dreams. When I take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The fuck is your friend shit. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a fuck if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, going ISO. Tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Well,
tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going, hey, look, going, yeah.
I don't know why people like trading EU. That pair just moves too slow for me. GU is okay, but not EU. But man, a lot of people trade EU. Why? You going long on EU? Okay. You still looking to sell GU, Troy? What started going up? What I started going up? You guys lost me now. What pay are you guys talking about? Talking about GU?
Everything that we do exclusive. Make sure that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Hoes down, these thoughts
If you got in right here, you would have smashed 20 pips already. 20 pips would have been smashed here on GU. What's all that JPY plays doing? I didn't even look at it. GJ still ranging. Excuse me, EJ trying to go up. CJ trying to break resistance. AJ ranging. AUD USD about to break the support I talked about. Okay, my next trade, if I take one, is probably gonna be AU. If it breaks this support here, I showed it in the beginning of the stream, which is this support here at 0.74500. So what's the peak range on this? If AU breaks this support, it's coming down. Buys would have been above 0.74900. AU's trying to come down hard here. You in a swing trade on AU. You took sales on AU. If you was in a swing trade on AU, your entry probably must have been up here below 0.75900 or 0.75600. Or maybe 0.75400. I don't know where your entry is. If you say you're in a swing trade, you must have been in there since the beginning of this week or something. AU is trying to come down hard here, guys. Looks like USD is really strong today. Come on, UJ, I need you to keep going on.
Straight from the middle, my middle finger erect. Is Xavier or is Zaddy? Make sure you speak it correct. I'm popping for my people, they peeking, peeping my prep. My nigga, get your money, make sure 30-minute candle open bearish, which means it can still flip bullish for price to keep pushing up. Did AU close below support? No. No, it didn't close below support. If this candle flips bearish, I'm taking the sales on AU. Best believe I'll be taking the sales on AU if it flips bullish. I mean bearish. If it flips bearish, then USD is still super strong. It's trying to flip now. No. I don't know what zone this is anymore.
I'm a creature on it, made that feature on it, had a seizure on it, going easy on him. Wave.
I don't know.
10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang.
Your entry on AU was 0.76992. Damn, Caleb. Whoa. Hey, when did you get in on this? What the hell? Are you sure your entry is on 76992? Well, I don't know where you got in at, Caleb. Ooh.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear.
I took this cell on AU, guys.
Supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hear it us.
Took the cells on AU.
My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down, winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in advisory. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got a big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind red, so won't stop her relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a fuck about the fame. I took a bite out of life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no simps. Won't stop to the youngest
And
dreams.
that's it
When
for
I
me
take it from
today.
rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie. The fuck is your friendship? I need the loyalty, back up the royalty. I give a fuck if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO. Tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. Hey, look. Crazy, wave, yeah, crazy,
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey with me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Yo, I pitch wisdom for the kidsdom. Solid as a prism, keeps a funky rhythm. If I want it, I go and get it. My blood thicker than water, we up like a zipper. My jeans seams got ashes from the plane. I'm elevating and crashing in the bed, but instead I hit my rooftop and watch the world go. Penning this shit inside my journal. Look up at the stars as I burn slow. Head to the Ville over by Strauss. We in the house with the herbo. As I throw on my starter, once my ignition start up, it's go time. And we ain't even hit our prime in no time. In the city living, spending past our limits. Put my all up in it, only play to win it. What's the status quo? What's the scenario? Kicking mad flavor as for hoes, we don't save a dough. Put them to the side like a page of dough. Cut them off clean like a tape up dough. Really think you dream until you wake up though.
Everything is custom. If they ain't want it, then fuck them. If they ain't part of the process, can't trust them. Double cup and sipping, bought a new roll, eating true rolls. Shorty ass fat like a sumo.
Alright guys.
Chilling with the crew, playing Uno.
Okay.
But it's cool though. We on our way up, so it's kudos. Trying to get the moolah copper-tudo. I need a big crib with a blue nose. Step into my dreams like it's
Wow, you took the sell on AU at 7492. Wow.
But I'm really too high, and I ain't with the rah-rah. Hit her and tell her bye-bye. Already got my nala. Young Simba in the flesh on the high ride. It's all about the commas and the dollar. Devils wear Prada. It's just another saga.
Caleb says swing and chill.
Wallet on me check, another day check. We put them in check, spliffs on me check. We got it on deck, checks on check. On to the next, mental health check. Wallet on me check, another day check. We put them in check, spliffs on me check. We got it on deck, checks on check. On to the next,
84 pull up out the lot slow. Not scroll, but the knowledge we got lots for. Kim tripping, I could too do the impossible.
Normally I'll have my stops below this high here, but I just believe in AU so much that I'm like, you know what, let me have a, though not too tight stop loss, decent enough, but normally I usually put my stops above the high when I get most recent high when I take sales. But we'll see what happens here. Hopefully this thing drops hard, and then that would be nice.
Put them in check, spliffs on me check, we got it on deck, checks on check, on to the next, mental health check, wallet on me check, another day.
Alright, let's go, UJ. We have the 30-minute bullish flip.
Checks on check, on to the next,
We're almost at 20 pips, y'all.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my for a figure, that's not like me.
Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you all.
She like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows into the flight lead. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up. I guess I lied, yeah. Off that straight of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah.
What was your question? I didn't get your question, UD. I didn't see your question. You didn't ask me no question.
I just ran out of my patience.
You just said you got in on AU at 74.92, 0.7492. That's all I see.
I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib and show love. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a next up. I need a 10, yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib and show love. Hey, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we. Look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming.
On AU, I'ma just get me my 20 pips and I'm boom. And I'm done with that one.
They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doja, what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need to.
How long did it take me to make my first 50K? 3 months. 3 months, UD. No, and to make that kind of money, it also depends on your account size. For me, it took me 3 months. I had to take it slow and steady. You feel me? Slow and steady. I mean, that's all I did up until this point, and I'm still doing it. I'm still taking it slow and steady. Slow and steady. My main target whenever I come to the market is 20 pips. And then I leave a runner. If the market gives me more than that, then I'll take it. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But let me tell you this, guys. If I'm a trader who targets just 10 pips, I'm telling you, my win rate will probably be like 90%. I don't know, I just prefer 20 pips, man. Because if you target 10 pips, most of the time, you get stopped out at break even though you take partial profits. But 20 pips, you have a higher chances of still getting a runner. That's why I always target 20 pips. That's always my first TP, and then I just go from there.
All that's said is done, all that's done, gone.
I mean, what we're doing now is $50 starting balance, but you can start with whatever you want, whatever you can afford. But as long as it's more than 50, you can start with 100, you can start with 200, you can start with 500, you can start with 1,000. You know, it depends on you. So whatever you want to start with, just make sure it's more than $50. That's it.
Listen to me, this love is a rocky road. Don't know who you are till you get too close.
Come on, DJ, let's go.
It's in the past, don't you worry, baby. I won't budge, won't judge, that's a promise, baby. Cause we could all use a lifeline, make it last a lifetime. Picture perfect scenes ain't the model, baby.
You're welcome, UJ. Come on, UJ. You got more time to smash this freaking 20 pips.
Honestly, don't matter who around us, long as you around, cause I would never give this up. Yeah, no matter who around us, listen to the sound of me, plus you want to dance with me now.
All that's said is done, all that's done, gone.
You're welcome.
Under the sun, won't you come with me? Fall in love like nothing matters except for us.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every logo fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once. Every logo fall down once. Hold it when it come. It ain't gonna stay when it drop, and when it fall down, pick that shit up.
Smashed, guys.
It ain't gonna stay when it
Smashed. Move stops to entry. Smashed, guys. Move stops to entry. $20 pips smash stars move to entry. Can I see some W's in the chart just for UJ now? And we'll see what AUD USD is gonna do. I gotta go use the restroom, guys. Let me see some W's in the chart. We're gonna leave it running on this. Make sure you take partial profits, or you take all your, or you close all your profit, whatever you wanna do.
Let me not even say this shit. I just ran out of my phrases. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Niggas want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves and still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a flex up. I need a check, yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Hey, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran shit all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming that they know my songs. I tell them quote the lines until I'm goated, bitch, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got her bag, she wanna fuck, I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doja, fuck what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. Fuck what you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the crew got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up.
Oh boy, look at freaking UJ. This thing is going to do more. Now we're looking at 40 pips. Can UJ give us 40 pips? Can UJ give us 40 pips? 40 more pips. Let's see, guys. I'll be back. Man, this Mona Lisa must have an issue with me. I'll be back, guys.
Riding with them soldiers, they salute me like a general. Hit the coast of Florida, feeling sorta like a Seminole. No exaggeration, all my literature be literal. Little do they know I do it bigger than they thought it though. Ain't no flexing with this weapon, you think I bought it for. Police call me radical, your wifey think I'm nautical. Riding to that Carter and I get just what I bought her for. Baby say she love me, don't know why she wanna leave me. All this out on the streets and I make it look easy. You ain't got no evidence, then you gotta believe me. Girl, I'm just a person, all that perfect for TV. Tally up my winning streak, I'm puffing on a power pack. Gave the wrong money, I don't know how to act. No, I'm playing properly while plotting on this property. I treat you like examples of what not to be. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking. Keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talk it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Position for the acquisition of some major paper. I'm just dipping, we ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and dripping, one finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some acres. Ayy.
This might be all that I know. Think it's okay. I've got a long way to grow. At my own pace. Go the long way. No one taught me how to walk, but I figured it out fine.
Long strides, long strides, long strides. Every day's your time. You climb, you grow, you fall. Get back up, ask for more. Got a long way to go. Scenic route sound fine. Head hanging out the window every time you take a drive. Gonna struggle all this life like you alive. This the only one you got. Don't you toss it to the side. Right now's the only time you'll ever be. Right here on this day, in this moment, in this place. Look around, would you take it all in for a phase and it's gone, and in place is a place you never thought that you'd be. Where you ask why you ain't where you want. That's just all, it's alright, let it fall. We'll rebuild it, stronger than it was before. You're resilient, you're brilliant. There's love in us all, you're okay. You're alright.
Every day is your time. You alive. Stick around.
This might be all that I know. Think it's okay. I've got a long way to grow. At my own pace. Go the wrong way. No one taught me how to walk, but I figured it out. Yeah. Okay. Look at how far we done made it. I put it all on the table. I'm a product of cable cars and the soldiers that raised me. A tribe of women from heaven that brought me miracles daily. Now they the ones that he's saving. Moms ain't the same since my grandma faded, then turned to an angel. Well, she can see me right now. Wanted to know that we major. See from all of the angles. Can't ever turn off my brain from everything we done saying. But I'm just shocked that I'm stable. If there's a God, she's amazing. Wave. I spill my soul on the table. I give it all while I'm able. I can't break bread when I'm stranger. I hold it down for my brothers. Been tight since naps in the cradle. Since pickup rounds in the park, we found peace and sound to that chain link net. Catch our dreams with each page ring. Got a knack with the pen. It's an apparatus for magic. I scribble slow and sit still till I feel the earth in rotation. I know the timing is crazy, but I know somehow we okay here. I'm out in Florida enjoying Atlantic shores. Look like a postcard scene. Soak up the rays for days. It feels so euphoric. Feel like I'm soaring, a floor in the pedal, swerving a foreign, all off the personal statement. Ain't take a Uber to get here, all in the stride in the cadence. Got so much farther to take it, my mind's a power container. And I use that wisely, don't let nobody contain it. I keep you safe in my ribcage, just north to left of the navel. One good look in your eyes can show what the new day might bring.
Every day is your time. You alive. Stick around.
This might be all that I know. Think it's okay. I've got a long way to grow. At my own pace. Go the wrong way. No one taught me.
Sorry guys.
Walk, but I figured it out fine.
We got a weak rejection here at this resistance.
Yo, I pitch wisdom for the kidsdom. Solid as a prism, keeps a funky rhythm. If I want it, I go and get it. My blood thicker than water, we up like a zipper.
Oh, nice one, UD. Okay, that's enough, almost 50 pips.
I hit my rooftop and watch the world go, penning this shit inside my journal. Look up at the stars as I burn slow. Head to the Ville over by Shrouds. We in the house with the herbo. As I throw on my starter, once my ignition start up, it's go time. And we ain't even hit our prime in no time. In the city living, spending past our limits. Put my all up in it, only play to win it. What's the status quo? What's the scenario?
Okay, we have a weak rejection here, like I said earlier, at the resistance here. So this candle could still flip bullish as well. This 30-minute candle.
Double cup and sipping, bought a new roll, eating churros. Shorty fat like a sumo, and I'm high off the chilling with the crew, playing Uno.
We're in profit on AU as well. With 20 pips is right here. So come on, we need you to keep coming down. We need you to keep coming down here, AU.
It's all about the commas and the dollar. Devils wear Prada. It's just another saga. It's just another saga.
Mental health check. Wallet on me check. Another day check. We put them in check.
This candle would have, this 30-minute candle would have been insane if it freaking gave us 20 pips. AU is not really a volatile pair like that, but you know, it's still a decent pair to trade. I will trade AU before I trade EU. I'm just saying. It doesn't move as slow as EU.
I do this for my kids, they're my kids' kids. My kids' kids and they kids' kids. One to one is who I'm is. Plus I'm so upstate, you see it's tatted on my ribs. Okay, 1 + 1 = 2, you knew that. Got that check and your dumb blew that. You don't have a savings cause you don't trust banks. But you can't talk money cause your shoebox blank. Empty, been on the edge, don't tempt me. I'd rather own less than be renting. Don't tempt me, buy the whole block, don't tempt me. Don't tempt me.
Mental health check.
Oh man, thank you, UD. That really means a lot. You trying to make me cry, UD? Thank you.
Wallet on me check. Another day check. Put them in check. Spliffs on me check. We got it on deck. Checks on check. Everything check.
I shouldn't cry.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you verb, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy.
I'm already out of UJ, guys. In total,
big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seem real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called her body for a Maserati.
total we smell 40 and then 20 on UJ.
Gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping.
Now I'm just reading on AU. AU gives me 20 pips and done for the day, guys.
So you better guard your post. It's certain things
AU
I
gives
can
me
probably
20
let go,
pips
but I can't
and
let
done
him take my
for the
soul.
day.
Nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. Oh,
I'm not gonna leave a runner on AU,
no.
except on my big account. But my regular account, I'm not leaving a runner.
I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you verse, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, nah,
come on here, you. Come on here, you. Let's go. Let's get it here, you.
Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul.
If this candle on UJ flips bullish though, because I'm leaving a runner on my big account here, it should close above this resistance. I'm telling y'all guys, if the dollar should stay bullish all day, man, then freaking AU might get back to this resistance up here.
A long way to go, seeing a crowd sound fine. Head hanging out the window every time you take a drive. Gonna soak up all this life like, fuck it, you alive. This the only one you got, don't you toss it to the side. Right now's the only time you'll ever be, right here on the stage.
Oh, you traded AGX Illuminati?
Would you take it all in for a face?
Yes, I do, FCD. Only to the premium group though. Only to the premium group. Yeah, we have a bullish flip here, guys. We just had a bullish flip.
You're alright.
And this 30-minute candle still has enough time to keep pushing up here.
This might be all that I know. It's okay.
AUD is slowly creeping down, almost at 20 pips.
Okay, look at how far we done made it. I put it all on the table. Bitch, I'm a product of cable cars and the soldiers that raised me.
Oh, you were late, Illuminati Crypto FX?
My grandma faded and turned to an angel. Well, she could see me right now. Wanted to know that we major. See shit from all of the angles. Can't ever turn off my brain from everything we the same. Shit, I'm just shocked that I'm stable. If there's a God, she's amazing. Wave, I spill my soul on the table. I give it all while I'm able. I can't break bread when I'm stranger. I hold it down for my brother.
You're trying to catch it, bro. I don't know, because if the dollar, if DXY stays strong, I don't know if you're gonna get a sell today.
I know the time and it's crazy, but I know somehow we okay here. I'm out in Florida enjoying Atlantic shores, look like a postcard scene. Soak up the rays for days, it feels so euphoric. Feel like I'm soaring, the floor and the pedal, swerving the foreign, all off the personal statement. Ain't take a Uber to get here, all in the stride and the cadence. Got so much farther to take it, my mind's a power container. And I use that shit wisely, don't let nobody contain it. I keep you safe in my ribcage, just north to left of the navel. One good look in your eyes can show what the new day might bring.
Every day's your time.
Before I forget, guys, if you trade NAS 100, get excited, because starting from Monday, man, since I started the live stream, I've not been trading NAS 100. So starting from Monday, I'll be trading live, one forex pair and NAS 100. That's it. If forex pairs are pairs that if the forex pairs that I trade, if they freaking acting up, they don't want to trend, then obviously it's gonna be NAS 100. So starting from Monday, that's what I'll be doing. Just letting you guys know. So if you trade indices, don't expect nothing but NAS 100 from me, and maybe S&P 500 once in a while. But for the most part, it's gonna be NAS 100. All right, guys.
We was in the heights, OG tried to sell me Cartiers. With my crown, we some kings like a card in solitaire. Sticking to the script, that's what got us here. If you in the way, we stepping down like a barber chair. We was all downstairs, Molly vibes till the smoke was clear. Nephew came in, told him, boy,
And just so you know, right about now, that's when I'll start looking to take trades on NAS 100 after New York Stock Exchange opens 8:30 a.m. and above my time. That's when I like to trade my indices.
Now we young pioneers, yeah, they see us switching gears. We some future billionaires, repping Brooklyn everywhere. So it's RIP to pop, they know the smoke will never clear. Word.
still on track, never off the trail.
Always bounce back, yeah, we still prevail.
So
Got our weight up, now we
I need to get back. I need NAS 100 to take me back to those 6-figure days.
see us fail.
Me and Dill back to back like we Chip and Dale.
Now the price is going up and the ticket sales.
All we do is show and prove, we don't kiss and tell.
Hand to your lip, we honoring the code. I'm known to go beast, can't compete when I'm in that mode. Catch me in a bubble, moose knuckle for the winter cold. Corner stories and they all posted with a liquor sold. 40s and shorties, HNIC, we move with aggression, learn lessons in the NYC. I'm from where you see a baddie, you just say Ben Aki. Bumping Hove in the club and I ain't need no ID.
You said you want to watch NAS people get wrecked. Man, we're not gonna get wrecked. I mean, obviously, you know, we can't win 100% of the time, but for the most part, I promise you, we're not gonna get wrecked. Because I trade indices differently. You see, you guys will see how I trade NAS 100. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna just say now, supply and demand. That's my indices strategy, supply and demand. I don't trade support and resistance for NAS 100. Come on, AU, smash that 20 pips. You have enough time to smash it. Let's go. So let me check my phone. 20 pips yet? Oh, almost there. Almost there, baby. How you say you be a spectator, you don't trade indices? Man, you don't know what you're missing. Well, maybe when we start doing it and we do it often, maybe you might get tempted to start trading indices, especially NAS 100. But don't tell me about no US 30 because I don't want to hear it. I have to mute myself here real quick, guys. Well, this is what I'm going to tell you, UD. If you're scared to blow your account, then just stick to Forex Pairs. Just stick to Forex Pairs. You don't have to trade indices. But a broker like Hanko Trade is a good pair. Is a good broker to trade indices with. Hanko Trade is so crazy that you can freaking trade indices. Max 100, for example, with $10, with $50. Brokers like Hugo's Way, Osprey FX, you can't trade indices with $10 or $50 or $100. So if you want to try out indices, just sign up with Hanko Trade. Put in like $50 or $100, and if you can afford that, put it in there. Try trading indices out, and if you end up blowing your account, it's not that bad. It's $50 or $100. Or open a demo account just to practice on indices while we're trading live here until you get comfortable, and then you can go live. You feel me? Oh damn, you did 30K. Because you didn't give up, you're reaping the benefits now. Yeah, Hanko Trade is good. I really believe that when it comes to Forex brokers, they're changing the game, and they will change the game. They'll become number one, if they're not number one already.
Baby girl wearing nada, growing from a side, bad robe in his Prada, Fiji water by the cold glass, granddaddy by the zip lock, flex season, I'm road running, I'm staying all on my tip top, young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried about slight.
Oh really, Illuminati? You're talking about KOT Forex? They got mini NAS also? Oh, okay. And what's the minimum account size if you're trading, if you're using the mini NAS on KOT Forex? Do you have an idea? Do you have an estimate? You said brokers want all the money. But I'm going to say this. If you're used to trading indices, whatever indices you trade, and you feel like you're good at it, and you want to make like cool cash, go with Hugo's Way. Their spread is huge, but I'm telling you, if that trade goes your way, man, I'm telling you, with Hugo's Way, if your lot size is 10 cents, and you have like, let's say, 50 points, which some people will say that's freaking 500 pips or whatever, you make cool cash on Hugo's Way. But on Hugo's Way, that's nothing. But it will still give you the experience that you need. Even if you use the maximum leverage on Hanko Trade, which is 500, 1 to 500, that's nothing compared to Hugo's Way. So if you want to get some experience trading indices, especially NAS 100, just go with Anchor Trade and make a deposit of $50 or $100 if that's all you can afford, and just try it out. Hold on, did you say $10? $10 on KOT Forex to trade NAS 100? I mean NAS 100 mini? Oh wow. They played you yesterday? Yeah, that's what I use. I use Hugo's Way for my indices. NAS 100, I use Hugo's Way. I don't use the Anchor Trade for indices. I want to make that big money, you feel me? A few years ago, like 3 or 4 years ago, Hugo's Way used to be like number one, or at top 3, if not number 1 Forex broker. Used to be Hugo's Way. Everybody's like Hugo's Way. Used to be Hugo's Way, Trader's Way. Then we had LQDFX. Those 3. I mean, they're still around, but 3 or 4 years ago, even like 2 years ago, it used to be those 3 brokers: Hugo's Way, LQDFX, and Trader's Way. But now, a lot of brokers, especially here in the United States, they don't use Hugo's Way that often, nor Trader's Way, nor LQDFX. A lot of United States brokers are switching to Anchor Trade now. I mean, I still have Hugo's Way, obviously, but I only use it for NAS 100, like I said. I don't use it for my Forex pairs. That's all Anchor Trade. Guys, you see how AU is moving slow? Just to give us 20 pips. Do I do what? Do I call out N? What's that? What's N? What do you mean? We need to rub the broker challenge and see how much we could hit on one broker. Oh no, I don't call out indices on the challenge, just for experts. Just for experts. And if you know you can always make the live stream. I mean, you don't need to join the premium, but if you know sometimes you can make it, sometimes you can't, then you can join the premium channel if you want to. Come on, AU. Welcome, UD. Where are you from, UD? Where are you from? Boy, AJ still ranging here. UJ would have been ranging too, if not that the dollar got stronger.
Light it up and bring the vibe in. Lime tint, color spot beam on me. I'm a star every night lit, ultraviolet. Hey, I told her make sure that phone is on silent so we know what the vibe is. Take a look at my iris. I think she know that I'm high risk. I never know what the time is. I never know when my mind wins.
Look at that.
I got a lot on my plate.
GU broke it.
And I'ma make sure that we straight.
2 more minutes, and this candle is definitely gonna close below this support zone.
I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that I got a lot on my plate. I got an eye on the prize.
Oh, damn, where's the next zone here? Looks like I'm gonna have to go to the daily here to freaking find another zone.
Now I get plenty coin, bitch, I'm self-made. You ain't gotta wish me well. You ain't like me then, but I guess it's past tense, cause you tapped in. You was never who you said. I see the facade when looking, it really be that quick to tell. My guard up, I ain't taking nails.
I'm trying to look for another zone here on GU
I got authority in the field. Take a
to
look
see where GU might be potentially heading to. Oh, okay. I see something here, guys. See something. I see something. See something here.
It's a lot on my mind. And I got an eye on the prize. And I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that hey, I got a lot on my plate. I got an eye on the prize. And I'ma make sure that we straight.
We got this resistance here. So that means GU has to break this resistance. And then we got this support. Got this support and
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work and you can find me where that turf is. Pip decision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me, showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up on aerial. I got the hits.
I'ma just leave it right there.
Real tricky with the flip a pretty penny to a thick stack, quick stack. Think fast and I talk real. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like massive pill. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been the man with the blueprint. I won't stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the lawn just to
so we found us resistance. It should break below it. You just have to go to the H4 to be able to see that resistance there. So guys, I close my AU here. I close my AU trade. I close it at 18 pips. Close my AU at 18 pips, guys. You can do the same and just move your stops to break even. Close this at 18 pips. Wow, this Friday is a good day. You don't get too many Fridays like this in the market. Don't get too many Fridays like this in the market, especially since this freaking war between Russia and Ukraine started. Today was an amazing day. An amazing day. I'm happy. No, I just stayed on the H4. I just made my candlestick smaller, and then I was able to find the zone I was looking for. So I hope you guys closed on AU already. Closed it at 18 pips. Move stops to break even. You can take partials, or you can, close out all your positions. It all depends on you. Yeah, UJ is probably still rejecting that resistance, but it's gonna break it. It's definitely gonna break it. It's definitely gonna break it. Yep, thank God it's Friday. Yep, what a nice Friday. That's true. See, what did gold do today? What did gold do today? Oh, since USD got stronger, gold should have freaking sell. Did gold sell? Oh. Gold is just moving now. This is what I've been talking about, that sometimes they don't like, gold just go against what the dollar is doing. If the dollar is strong, gold should be dropping. But then again, it still has this resistance here that it needs to break. Still has to break that resistance. God is just too nasty. Just all this here. Too nasty. I don't know why people like trading gold. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I actually want all JPY pairs to close in a range today. EJ, AJ, NJ, GJ. Yeah, I want all of them to close in a range today, so that come Monday or freaking Asian session, we might see some trends. Maybe a bullish trend or a bearish trend. So that's what I really want. That's what I really, really want. But I don't think they're gonna move today. They're absolutely not gonna move today. Doesn't look like it. AU wouldn't have moved either if not that the dollar got stronger. Like, it got really, really strong. aside from this move here, from here to here, and then it just started ranging here. How many days was this range? Okay, it just ranged for, it started ranging 2 days ago, so it ranged for 2 days, and then we have this drop today. All right, hopefully the drop is going to continue. How you say Friday is my new favorite day? No, it's not. It's not my new favorite day. Today's Friday was just a good day. Yeah, your country of origin, UD. Yeah, your country of origin. Who is this? Find you and get more information. Man, get the hell out of my freaking chart. Trying to scam people. Guys, I'm not on WhatsApp. Mr. Grand Time, what pay are you talking about? What pay hit 20 pips and pulled back? Oh, okay. Once you make your first 500K, damn. You're gonna fly here to drop me a bag? Okay, I'll be expecting you. I mean, yeah, that's true. Gold means money, but I just don't like trading it. I would rather invest in it, but not trade it. Oh, you from Nigeria, just like me? Nice. Yeah, I'm Nigerian too, but I live in the United States. But I'm proudly Nigerian, proudly African. Man, Troy, you funny. You give me your bank account like a Nigerian prince. No, give me your bank account now, Troy. I'm just kidding. So AU, I hope you guys did the same here. I took, in fact, I closed my entire position on AU. I just took some profits and on my big account and moved stocks to entry. Man, how many likes do we have today? Man, we only got 19 likes. You guys can do better. Keep smashing that like button, guys. I appreciate you all. What's UJ doing? Is UJ still going to the moon? Oh, there we go. Rejected that resistance. It's coming down now. If it comes all the way down, it's probably just gonna retest this resistance here. And then maybe next week UJ might drop, or we might have a bullish continuation. let me see the monthly. So UJ, looking at the monthly here, if it decides to continue going up, then it's probably just going to come all the way here just to fill up this wick here to the left hand side. If it should continue to go up, and if that happens, once it gets here, then expect to see a drop on UJ. Then expect to see a drop on UJ. Then what happened to my song? Where's my favorite song? Yeah, I'm looking for my favorite. Oh, there you are. Bam. Let's go. Okay. If you're still in UJ, hopefully you don't get stopped out. You still in UJ? Let me guess, for yourself? Because you said you'll be jumping in for yourself. Oh, you got in gold, Gary? Oh, 25 pips in 30 seconds? That's nice. Yeah, I know you like trading gold. What part of Nigeria am I from? Lagos. I'm from Lagos. Man, Troy, if only I had bought Bitcoin at that time too. Yeah, I know a lot of people wish they freaking bought Bitcoin. Even if you bought it like 5 years ago. Obviously, I didn't. I was one of those people who didn't. But it's never too late. But, you know, I have some now, so. Yeah, I remember you said you were going to jump in the cell. I mean, just be careful with this sell though, because it looks like the dollar is still strong. If this 4-hour candle flips bearish all the way, that like I said, UG might be heading back to this resistance just to retest it. You still running UJ for the buy? Yeah, me too. Only on my other account though. I mean my main account. My smaller account, I already closed it. I'm already out of UG on my smaller account. Yeah, you're right. In 2015, even in 2017, Bitcoin wasn't like I think $500. Just imagine if you bought just one Bitcoin. Yep, I'm done for the day myself. Alright, UD, see you next week. You go through every mail. What are you looking for? You've owned a few acres in England, Jamaica, Nigeria, and Ghana. You know, it's been a while since I started live streaming last month. That we was already done trading in 2 hours. Actually, it only took like an hour 30 or an hour 45 minutes today. Today was a very good day. This is how scalping should look like. 2 hours max. 2 hours max. Oh, you mean if you only bought Bitcoin? Yeah, you're right about that one. Oh, you lost your wallet key? And you had BTC? Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, if you're still in UJ buys, you might get stopped out.
Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said same Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah.
Well, is this John Legend? Why does it sound like John Legend?
Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm.
What? I didn't save it.
Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl.
Electric work more than land now. Oh wow.
Said I already told ya, yeah, girl. I never dated a black guy. I said you
You can log in. You can log in your online wallet. You just use people wallet. Yeah, guys. In 2017, so I actually bought Bitcoin, and I can't freaking. I lost access to that wallet. I can't log in, I can't do anything, I don't even remember nothing. I can't do anything. Completely lost it. Completely lost it. I was mad as hell. I'm still mad as hell, right? Till today. I still wish I never lost access to that wallet on Coinbase. But there's nothing I can do about it. You went on Twitter when Cash App did that to you? Yeah, I've been hearing a lot of stuff about Cash App too when it comes to buying crypto. forget.
Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better be watching what you do. None of that list you got, they go through. Are you being good, haven't you? Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better be watching what you do. None of that list you got, they go through. You being good, haven't you? I'm not trying to put demons in your mind. I just wanna wish you a good night. Hope you get the cream with the pie. And what's under the tree, hit your vibe. Couple of G's, couple of tries, couple of T's. That you gon' be more getting your C's. See what the passion, look at the fall, look like a fool, even in my world. Look like a kid with the heart that's lit. Santa's beat me all he can fit. Do the part, he doing his. Yeah, like I'm the superintendent of this facility. I get the people what they want with agility. Yes, moving quickly, past ups and my enemies. They just found legends, but they all real of me. Trust me, I'm about to get you hooked up. I'ma get your jealous friends crying. On my R&B shift, I'ma get your Christmas vibing.
Oh yeah, Troy. That's very good. Don't leave all your money in your forex account. Like, what's the point of trading if you know withdrawing your profits? Like, why are you trading? Yeah. If you wanna withdraw daily, if you wanna withdraw weekly, you always gotta withdraw. You always have to keep money in your wallet or keep money in your bank account. If you're not withdrawing your profit, and if you start trading again the following week and you end up losing the profit that you made, you're just gonna like start blaming yourself. Like, damn, I wish I withdrew some money last week. And you start feeling bad and you might start losing confidence in yourself. So you always gotta, make sure you're withdrawing your profits. If you're not doing it daily, at least do it weekly or maybe every 3 days or something. It all depends on you. Sometimes I do mine every 3 days, or sometimes I do it every week. It depends on what I want to do. But most of the time I do it every week. Like today, I'm I have to go withdraw this week. Today. So always make sure you withdraw it. Don't leave all your money in your forex account. What's the movie called on Netflix? So I can watch it. Illuminati. What's it called? You say you don't want no excuses. You withdraw. Yeah, see, you always got to make sure you withdraw your money.
Life is brief, don't let that get you down. Don't let that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon. Ain't news to you.
Can't trust the brokers and platforms.
Life is brief, don't let
Said I'm with you on that one.
that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon. There ain't news to you. Why you so upset about it?
Even though they still make money, they make money whether you lose or win. They still make money.
Close your eyes and you might get some of the first steps. The feudal processions from bygones is far gone by dead dad. baddest on one. I ain't a bunch of bad decisions. Look before you leave. Just jump before the moment is gone.
Alright, look it up real quick, Illuminati, so I can watch it. I'm probably gonna watch it probably tonight.
But about what's lost takes away from everything that you got. Like you got it all in the palm of your
Or sometime this weekend, because I'm watching a series right now.
got now. So you need like brief hands. That's all good with me. Life is brief. Don't let that get you down. Don't let that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon, but there ain't news to you. Why you so upset about it? Life is brief. Don't let that get you down.
So you're gonna tell your kid you can't eat, your broker say you can't eat today. Your kid definitely doesn't want to hear that. Your kid is probably gonna tell you, well, Dad, sorry, you gotta figure it out because I need to eat.
I can't control it all, bro. I'm trying to make it go where I want to go with the slow. It stay moving, it ain't gonna stop, so everybody better rock out the hood way. Arms keep rolling, tick bend the talk, so you better rock knowing that that's just the day. Days turn to weeks and weeks into months that fall in the years and throw them away. It's all over quick now, you want the fact that ain't coming before you can say. Life is brief, don't let that get you down. Don't let that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon, but there ain't news to you. Why you so upset about it? Life is brief, don't let that get you down. Don't let that get you down. It's all gonna go away soon, but there ain't news to you. Why you so upset about it?
I'm waiting on Illuminati to tell me that Netflix movie is talking about. UJ is going back up, yeah. Hopefully it continues. Geo is doing the same, trying to push down here. Ooh, AU is doing the same thing. It almost got to my freaking break even. But if this kind of flips bullish again, then I'll be stopped out of AU.
Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me.
Wow, AJ still ranging. That's crazy. That's really crazy, insane. Cat JPY found resistance again and rejected it. EJ just freaking looks nasty. Next week, honestly, I'm not going to be looking for buys on EJ until it closes above 135,900. I'm not trading EJ next week until that happens. 135,900. That's when I'll look for my buys. Anything below that, no EJ buys for me. Man, I feel sorry for the people that only trade GJ, man. Because there are people out there that GJ is the only pairs they trade. They probably didn't trade this week. And if they did, they probably had a losing week. Because this thing just freaking ranging like for the whole freaking week. Did he range for the whole week? Let's see, when was this move here? April, okay. So since after April 5, was that this week?
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was
I
more
think
than
we
twice the
traded
size, and I was a
GJ
kid.
this week. Did
Traded
we
in the
trade
comfort zone,
GJ
feel like
this
I'm
week?
on the edge. I was gaining on my dreams.
I think we traded GJ this week. This move to the upside here, I think we did. And then it's just been ranging since then.
The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with the plug, the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed. I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about
So
the
GJ's been ranging since 2 days, 2-3 days now. GJ's been ranging. That's crazy. Hopefully it trends next week. Hopefully it trends on Monday. Whether it drops or it buys, hopefully one of them happens.
My biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy.
NZDJPY here. I'm not gonna take sales if it drops until 84,900. I'll feel more confident taking my sales from there.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bond, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. I tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. One in my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy.
What? It's called Trust No One? Oh, okay. Trust No One. Trust No One. Are you sure that's the title? Wow.
Call it how I see it, provide I witness statement.
Trust
The way
no
things were
one.
gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement. To take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely. No.
I'm definitely gonna watch that movie. Young dude caught several of and took the bag. Wow.
I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach. Gon' reach that's facts. I ain't worried about none of that. I'm making that cash stack. Bunch of O's like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot when they really more like Quarter on me like a referee. Hating what they'll never be. me. Small top with a big bottom, yeah, shorty shaped like a letter D. Let her have it, then I let her be. If you love it, gotta let it grow. Crazy cause you really never know. When I'm hurting, never let it show. I'm a two-tone, two-phone, two-chain, new thing, lane with, but you a broke. Low class, no cash, certified lame. I'ma get into it like I ought to. Couldn't pick, so I bought two. Understand why your chick came, I'm just trying to figure why she brought you. Really reppin' and I'm flexed up, and I ain't gotta tell him I'm next up. Sleep on the they rest up, but I'm up and I'm getting my checks up. Me and the fellas be high as propellers, they could tell us we great. Looking at like how do you figure unless you could talk about a figures. I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it.
Next person trying to take it back from you, gonna get some juju.
Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look how we litty, we turned up the city, we raising the bar height. I've been finessing, just look at them stressing, yeah, they been up all night. Sipping this water with somebody's daughter, she take what I taught her and build on it. Came in this game on that today, ain't in a couple years later, we still on it. Be hating on it, be waiting on it like a new season. I bet an acre on it, I put some paper on it like I'm loose leafing. Buying them assets, build me a cash net, I could fall in. Look at my last bet, ain't got a tiptoe, I'm all in. Think on the level they can't fail, and I roll me a J with the hate mail. Been doing good on the merch sale, all this bread on me look like a bake sale. Tell you what's really good, I'll be really good on a jaw jack. Send an email about the bread.
Well, alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. So I'm gonna end this live stream now. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you guys for always opening on. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, guys.